Normally I'm quick to switch up my plans. My mind, I'll pack my bag and I'm say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I play it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for you. But it just hurts so.
Bro, a TJ Maxx commercial just came on, and I really want to go to TJ Maxx now.
This time I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my replacement shit. I switch, nigga, I'm so damn quick. If he ain't getting my shit, but it just ain't like that, sure. I even had tried that shit with you before. At the West End, I'd have tried something new. I don't know what I'll do. How was that a waste of time? You were never gonna change your mind. Tired of hearing all your lies, but I wanna leave you lonely, so I come crawling back. Hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay. So bad when it ain't working out. This time I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my obsession shit. Switch.
Don't mind the noises in the back. That's my dog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really just like a quick little updated makeup routine, and I can go in depth with details if you guys would want, but baby, I'm trying to get this content out, so excuse me for it being so short, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.